So, this is just in response to uh, one of the comments I got for this video game watch. Cosmic Wars video game watch. So I did take apart the back of it here with the screwdriver. And so this is the back plate. And this is the disc where the piezo crystal, I don't know if it's actual crystal. I think it's a crystal. It's a black, this is the back plate. Goes on top of here like this. And this part will cover up like that. And then you press that down, just clips in. And that plate underneath here will vibrate and make the noise. It's good. Nonetheless, it makes a classic 80s beeping noise. However, if you can see here, there's all these holes in the back of the watch. This watch will never be waterproof. It's like, unless they case it in some sort of rubber. So you have to be really careful of this. But for the comment, if they want to know how the noise is made, is this disc here. Okay, thank you.